Hey, I'm Brooke, and I wanted to review for you these heavy duty oven liners. This is something that is a problem I've dealt with for a long time. If you cook, bake, even make a pizza in your oven, you know how much it stinks to clean out the bottom. But this is a solution to that, in that what comes in this roll are two of these heavy duty oven liners that are both reusable and washable. You just put them in the sink, wash them off, and back into your oven afterwards. So I don't have any elements on the bottom of my oven, so it's safe to use down there. But the exciting part for us is what is on the back of the same box. It is also a barbecue grill mat. So we're going to take you outside and show you exactly how we're going to use it out there as well. Okay, so we have the second mat placed on our grill. We wipe this off and we're getting ready. The grill is completely heated up, getting ready to try it out with some burgers for the first time. So hubby's going to throw them on the grill. Hot? He said it's hot. Okay, so one of my big concerns was, are they still going to sizzle and cook like they do on the grates? And yes, they absolutely do. So still cooking. We'll give them a little more time. All right, so back for my second big question. Am I going to lose the grill marks? And that shocks me. No. So I still have grill marks. I still have that good char to them, but I don't have a ton of mess to clean up in my grill afterwards. All right, so overall, what would I say about these mats? I would say that easy to say that for your oven, it's going to catch all the mess and be easy to clean up. For out here on the grill, I'm shocked at how much I like having this around. So win-win, both outdoors and indoors. These grill mats are something that we will have in our kitchen.